Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny, Uptown Girl, and we'll be using Maniology M369. And here is Maniology's calcium-rich milk base coat. This came in my Ambassador Tier Gift Award. I'm using a lot of things from that in the next couple of videos. Definitely this one and the next one. And there is what that looks like on its own. Here is Moonshine Manny, Uptown Girl. That's a flaky bomb for sure. It's just yummy. I loves it. It's so pretty. I mean, even in just one coat, if you don't mind visible nail line, one coat just looks so good on the nails. It's so nice. Got a really good formula considering it's got all those flakies in it. And it's packed with flakies. Alright, we're going to go in with the second coat here of Uptown Girl. Gonna get it all smoothed out and ready to play on, because you guys know I'm going to play. That's how we do around here. I'm going to top these with I&Ms out the door. I'm going to get it to dry down so I can do some stamping, some playing. This is my sandbox, and I'm having a blast with these castles. Alright, going to cap my free edge there. Isn't that pretty? There's a swatch photo of it on its own. Here we go, Maniology M369. It's like a butterfly plate. And we're going to get this film off of it and get it cleaned up and ready to go. I always clean mine with acetone in case there's any residual from the sticker that covers it and protects it. And we'll be using, this is Old Bundle Monster, but it's Maniology's Straight Up Black. There we go. And I've got my little Maniology scraper card out. And a Maniology cube stamper. This plate did come in with my tier gifts as well. I didn't do a video like hauling it because it wasn't a haul. I didn't pay for it. And I'd already seen several other YouTubers show what came in them. So I just decided to skip that and just make sure I use all of them very soon. All of the products. So we're going to just stay on it like that. I'm cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm not going to clean the plate yet because I'm just going to go around pulling different images off of this stamping plate. And I've got an addiction to butterfly plates. I didn't purchase this one, I didn't pick it out or anything, but I'm telling you, I can't stop buying them even. Every time I see a new one, I'm like, oh, I gotta have it. So there we go. Got like a bunch of butterflies like flying off, and then I'm going to use the mirrored image over here on the other side and put that on my ring fingernail. And I like that this plate has like wing bits, whole butterflies that are little and big to where you could run them across a couple of nails. Oh, and here I'm getting up that excess with a piece of sticky tape. Trying to get that lined up and lay that on the nail. Alright. And we're just bumping along here, but I really do think that this is a cute plate. Like I said, I am a butterfly plate junkie. I can't get enough. These would look really cute with advanced stamping or making a decal out of them. You know, stamp the image and then fill them in with color. Those would look so cute. But I was impatient. I just wanted a manicure with this plate. So there we go. We got to get one more. I'm looking at that little pinky nail trying to figure out which one's going to fit. And we're going to go with this one. I want to make sure it fits. There we go. Get that off there. And stick that little butterfly on that nail. How cute. Very nice. Tap down the flyaways. Alright, so I'm going to clean my plate with some acetone. Always try to clean up my stuff as I go along. Because I don't want to go break this out in a month or two or whatever and it be yucky with paint all stuck down into it. I just think it's easier to clean while it's still kind of fresh. Get my little stampy mat cleaned. And I know people have asked me, if you've got a mat on your desk, why are you using a little mat? So I can slide it out of my way. If it gets in my way, I can move it. Especially if it's got, you know, the scrape excess onto it, I can slide it out of the way. Here we go with the Maniology's smudge-free top coat. I'm going to go over those stamped images so that they have something on them and I'm not smearing them. And then we're going to apply Seche Vite as our final glossy top coat. It's a quick dry top coat. I've been using it a lot here lately because I need to like refill my Posh bottle. Laziness. I'm just using what's like ready to go. And there is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.